Before heading onto the freeway, I thought I'd stop at Mars Cheese. Alright, let's go in to the castle. There's the castle. The restaurant is closed. This is just the cheese room. Let's see what they got. There is so much to pick from in there, but I'm one person, so I'm checking out. This is enough. Check it out. They're using President Trump as a good example for a change. That's nice to see. Very refreshing. Hello, my peeps. We're in the Antoinette Nora kitchen. We're gonna make the macaroni and cheese. So I have all the cheese out here. I just need to shred it. First, I want to show you. I've been breaking glasses left and right. I went onto eBay because you know that I don't like anything modern. And I got these, what are they? Mid-century silver fade wine glasses. Well, and the glasses of two different sellers. They are vintage France Dorothy Thorpe mid-century modern glasses. They're beautiful. I found these at Vinnie's after I bought the wine glasses and those other glasses. Anyway, I made a cocktail, Friday night cocktail of Christian Brothers brandy and Diet Right. That's what I'm drinking. So I'm gonna go ahead and shred some cheese here. I'm going to use quite a variety of cheeses. This one I actually got from my manager in it was a cheese and sausage gift basket for working so hard. Yeah, so I haven't opened this one, so I'm going to use this tonight. Okay, I think I got it. So what I wound up using was this. Yeah, I didn't know this is a state champion cheese. It won in Wisconsin. Gilly Cheese, Car Cheese Factory. That's the Colby. I'm going to use 4 cups of cheese. I used the Colby, the Havarti, and the rest of that Gruyere. I think that's how you say it. That was just a little chunk that I had left. So I didn't have to use any of my cheese curds. We're gonna make cheese curds. Good old Wisconsin cheese curds. Here's the Wisconsin cheddar. Here's cheddar also with dill, but white cheddar. And then remember at Mars, I bought the frying cheese. I have never bought the frying cheese before, so this will be fun. Yeah, we'll do that. Maybe even sometime this weekend. I'm actually off. It's Labor Day weekend. I should be off. But I am gonna work Monday because Monday's double time and a half. Yeah, I calculated it. I couldn't resist. Let's get this sauce going. All right, now I'm going to make it in a double boiler, but obviously my pan is, you know, about the same size as my 4 cups measuring cup. So I'm going to have to do it in spurts. I have my water heating in my other pan, just low on 3 right now. I'm just gonna put it together quick. I'm gonna take some of the cheese. Till it melts down. It'll melt down and fit in there no problem. I have a 1/2 cup of the Aldi's heavy whipping cream. And then I want to put in parsley, a couple tablespoons. This is a 2 heaping teaspoons really of that. I want to put in 1/2 teaspoon of garlic. that's all approximate measurements. And then some black pepper. Okay, that's it. I think I can put in some more cheese. Oh, 4 tablespoons of butter. So, let me get the rest of that. All of this is just eyeballed. I think I have approximately 4 tablespoons here. It's softened. I'm just gonna put it all in. I need to clean my butter dish anyway. Alright, that'll be good. So, have you been listening to all the iHeart commercials on the radio stations? I gotta say, I got so tired of listening to politics this week. I was just done with it. That I started going to some of the podcasts that they're talking about. I'm hooked. All right, I have that on very low, but right now I'm listening to a Detective Trap, and I'm on the final episode, so I'm gonna let that go low and slow, and I'll come back in a bit. I want to finish it. It's kind of like the old days. Well, before my time, my grandparents' time, maybe my parents. Before TV, when everybody, the whole family, sat around the radio and listened to a story. It's back with these podcasts. You know, it's really good. You've got to be really good to be able to pull that off without the visual. Anyway, back in a flash. Let's check on the sauce. Ooh, that's looking pretty good. I'm gonna add a little more cheese. So I had to pull the manual out, and because the penny pasta requires 2 discs, and I couldn't find them for the life of me in here. Also, as well, so this fits right in here, that second disc. And then that's also the case with the lasagna noodles, which we will definitely do. That also has a second disc. So, the second disc for the penny was stuck in a different disc. So I'm like, wait a minute, I don't have it. I mean, I went on Amazon, I went and Googled it. I'm like, what does the second disc look like? And then I was messing around with the drawer, and sure enough, it fell out of a different disc. So it only goes on one way. And we're gonna put this cover on. Now we're gonna have some penny. In here, I have 2 lightly beaten eggs and a 1/4 cup of water. This is a recipe that is actually in the book. This is their whole wheat pasta recipe. All right, so that's just lightly mixed. So that's my liquid ingredient. I'm using my Carb Quik because I used up all my carbulose flour in the wasted batch. It might be better this way. I'm glad to try it because of the fact that the last pasta I made, or I should say the first spaghetti pasta I made, that one I used the carbulose. So it'll be good to see the difference in the pasta. We're gonna put in 2 cups, which is 400 grams in here. 2 of these. Okay, My battery is flashing at me. After that last incident, I used a lot of battery. So I think I'm going to have to charge it. We'll see. I got 2 bars left. Then we're going to shut it. There we go. Then on this side, all right, we're going to start a quick pasta, start, and pour in the liquid ingredients. It's so great with the built-in measuring cup. It tells you exactly how much liquid to put in. All right, let's see. Let's get that white through there. Okay. It says 2 minutes, 24 seconds. Maybe when using egg, you should mix it quite well. It's having a hard time going through the holes. All right, there it goes. Okay, 2 minutes. The penny is coming out, but I think it's dry. And they say just add a little oil. I think that my cheese sauce is kind of thin. So I am going to put a little bit of those cheese curds in here, and maybe a little arrowroot or xanthan gum to thicken it up just a bit. See that consistency? Much better after I added just a little bit of oil. It almost seems like it's dumplings. I really do feel like I put in too much oil. It definitely needed some because it was so dry, but I think I put in too much and that made it gummy. But the mac and cheese still needs work. But we will perfect the mac and cheese. We're not there yet. So thanks for coming by for another video, and we will see you next time.